Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Azhar Khan, and today our presentation topic is about ensuring sustainable infrastructure. Today we are going to discuss the main topics, which are defining sustainable infrastructure, highlighting current situation, sharing examples with their benefits, identifying key strategies, and exploring future opportunities. The objective of presentation is why sustainable infrastructure is important. Defining sustainable infrastructure. What is sustainable? Sustainable is the thing which are able to stay long lasting, and infrastructure is the design and the development of and construction of anything. Sustainable infrastructure provides us good cost estimation, minimize environmental impact, and ensure social equity. Now Mohammad Azim will highlight the current challenges of sustainable infrastructure.
Now I will be talking about the current challenges to ensuring sustainable infrastructure. Here are some of the key issues. Number one being funding. One of the most significant challenges for sustainable infrastructure is funding. Many sustainable projects require significant upfront investment, which can be difficult to secure, particularly in developing countries where resources are limited. Second, political will. Political will and leadership are essential for developing and implementing sustainable infrastructure policies. However, many policymakers prioritize short-term goals over long-term sustainability. Third, technical knowledge. Sustainable infrastructure requires specialized knowledge, skills, and expertise which may not be readily available in all areas. Without a sufficient understanding of sustainable infrastructure, many projects may fall short of the goals or even be detrimental to the environment. Fourth, stakeholder engagement. Sustainable infrastructure projects require engagement with a wide range of stakeholders, including communities, businesses, and government agencies. Without effective communication and collaboration, it can be challenging to address concerns and ensure that the infrastructure meets the needs of all stakeholders. These are just a few of the key challenges facing sustainable infrastructure development today. Addressing these challenges will require a concerted effort from policymakers, businesses, communities, and individuals to ensure that sustainable infrastructure becomes a reality. The benefits and examples of the sustainable infrastructure are going to be discussed by Muhammad Abdullah.
Now I will be talking about benefits and examples of sustainable infrastructures. Benefits of sustainable infrastructures, also known as green buildings and eco-friendly buildings. Some of the examples are environmental benefit, economic benefit, health benefit, and social benefit, and many more. Environmental benefits. Sustainable infrastructures are designed to minimize the impact on the environment. They use the materials that are environmentally friendly, consume less energy and water, and produce less waste. This reduces carbon emissions, conserves natural resources, and helps to protect the ecosystem. Secondly, economic benefits. Sustainable structure can also be cost effective in long run. They require less energy and water, which means lower utility bills. They also have higher resale values, as more and more people are becoming environmentally conscious and willing to pay a premium for sustainable features. Third, health benefits. Sustainable structure promotes a healthier environment. They use non-toxic materials, provide better indoor air quality, and reduces risk of more. Now moving towards the examples of the sustainable infrastructure. These are the examples: passive houses, green roofs, net zero energy buildings, and many more. Number one, passive houses. Passive houses are designed to be ultra energy efficient, using insulation, air tightness, and solar gain to reduce the need for heating and cooling. Green roofs. Green roofs are the roofs that are covered in vegetation. They help to reduce the urban heat island effect, provide insulation, and absorb rainwater. Third, net zero energy buildings. Net zero energy buildings produce as much energy as they consume over the course of the year. They typically use renewable energy sources such as solar panels or wind turbines. Now Hassan will be taking over the presentation from here.
Now we are looking at key strategies for ensuring sustainability. Ensuring sustainability requires a multifaceted approach encompassing strategies across various sectors such as environmental, social, and economic. Here are some key strategies that can help ensure sustainability. Number one point is implementing sustainable practices. This includes reducing energy consumption, conserving water, reducing waste generation, and using eco-friendly materials. Number two point is investing in renewable energy. The use of renewable energy such as hydro and geothermal is a key to achieve sustainability. Number three point is encouraging sustainable transportation. Promoting public transportation, cycling, walking can reduce greenhouse gases, emission, and traffic congestion. Number four point is promoting sustainable agriculture. This includes using sustainable farming practices, reducing the use of chemicals, and supporting local food system. And the number five point is ensuring sustainable consumption. This involves promoting the use of eco-friendly products, reducing plastic waste, and promoting responsible consumer behavior. And the last point is fostering sustainable communities. This involves promoting community engagement, creating green spaces, and building sustainable infrastructure. These strategies are not exhaustive, but they provide a starting point for promoting sustainability. Achieving sustainability requires a collective effort from individual, businessmen, governments, and civil society. Further presentation will be continued by Mohammad Faisal.
Now I am going to talk about exploring future opportunities and innovations. Finally, it's important to look to the future and consider how new technologies and innovations might further advance the goal of sustainable infrastructure. Here are some potential areas for exploring. Renewable energy. The transition to renewable energy is a key aspect of sustainable infrastructure. Innovation in solar, wind, and geothermal energy systems are helping to make these sources more efficient and cost effective. There is also significant potential for the new types of renewable energy such as tidal and wave power. Smart grid. A smart grid is an intelligent electrical distribution network that can dynamically respond to change in energy demands and supply. This system can help to optimize the use of renewable energy sources and the grid. Energy storage. Energy storage technologies such as batteries, pump, hydro, and thermal energy storage can help to smooth out these fluctuations and ensure that the energy is available when it is needed. Now let's answer the question why sustainable infrastructure is important. It provides resilience to the climate change and sustainable development goal. It helps environmental protection. It provides economic development and social equity for the prosperity of the country.